Next is trim and crop. Here in the same control, if you come over here, you have the click on this pop-up menu, and then you have a button called crop. Then when you click on the crop button, you have controls over here. 3 controls which shows just below your viewer. Trim is selected, which means you can individually control or trim the video size. So if you wanted to remove a portion from video, you can do that. Say for example, if I wanted to remove the left side portion a bit, I just need to hold on this, and then I can just move it over here, and it's removed from the image. Once I'm done, I can click on here the done button. And then if you wanted to adjust the size of the image, you come back to transform and then you hold it, okay, so that it will fill your screen. Okay, here if you click on this button, you can make sure that the fill is done. So this is how you trim the image. And the next control that you have over here is click on crop, and then you have the crop button. And again you can click on any of these blue color controls to crop your image. So, or if I wanted to crop it like this, I can do that. And then finally, once after my adjustments, I can just click on done, so that image will be automatically expanded to its aspect ratio. So this is how you crop and trim an image.